In front of me is TCL 205, and let me show you how to change the date and time on this device. So at first open the settings, then find and select System and Enroll Advanced. Here you will notice date and time, and you can smoothly switch off automatic time by using the stop switcher. And now you can pick date and time manually by yourself. As you can see, from now on it's up to you what date and time it currently is. You can also switch off network provided time zone, and now you can smoothly pick a region and time zone by yourself. And that's it. Whenever you wish to go back to automatic setup, just use those both switchers, and then they will be automatically applied. So both date, time and time zone. And that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.